Today we are here at a town called La Unión. We are going to be seeing Del Cantes de las Minas, a flamenco festival, and today is the final. I cannot wait. Cante de las Minas means Song of the Mines.
It's one of the most famous flamenco festivals in the whole world.
To celebrate the miners who worked over these hills, flamenco isn't only about dancing, but it's also about guitarists, singing, and the footwork.
What is so important about tonight?
What's important about tonight is that it's the grand final. Hey Journeycam, this is Flamenco. It's kind of hard to describe the atmosphere. Kids are playing around, it's so warm. People are dressed all fancy for this big event.
Music everywhere, everybody excited and all. You know, pretty amazing.
Guys, we have amazing seats to see the grand final. I am so excited. Tonight we're gonna see singers, guitarists, dancers, all competing against each other to win the grand final. It's so cool.
We watched the final. Every performance was much more incredible than the last. I understand why flamenco is such a big part of Spanish culture. What a show.
Today, it's Sunday, and there's one thing we are definitely going to be doing today. Paella. Everyone has a role.
Tiene más sabor de boca. Para la boca es malo, sí.
This may look easy, but it's a bit hard.
Siempre. Porque no, te lleva el dedo.
My granny is teaching us how to not chop off our fingertips. You put your knuckles in, like this, and you'd cut. Welcome to Abuela's Cookery School, where every lesson is how not to chop off your fingertips.
Mira, la ceba se corta por aquí. Sí. ¿Tú quieres cortar también esta?
Sí.
Parta más.
You actually do make it great. Oh
Ya está, no partan más.
Paella is one of the most famous dishes in all of Spain. It's made in a big dish just like this.
This is called majao. It's a mix of onions, tomato puree, garlic, and herbs. We're gonna apply the rice over here. Start mixing everything together so everything gets the flavor. Can you smell it?
Oh, I could. That smells so nice. Today is a bit of a madhouse. My madrina is trying to fight the wind with cutlery and napkins. My abuelo is trying to fix a broken umbrella for shade. And the whole house is so mad. I don't even know what's happening anymore. We have finished setting the table. It is all done. Now we are about to bring the paella and we're gonna eat. Did-it-in, did-it-in, did-it-in. Wow. And that, my friends, is paella.
What I love most is the paella brings family together. We scoop from the same pan and it's team effort from start to finish.
Arroz y pollito.
Salud!
Cheers. Cheers.
It is literally my dream meal. We are here at the beach. It's buzzing, it's crowded. I cannot wait to get the sand beneath my feet and take a dip in the water. So let's go. It's 9 o'clock at night and we are here in the sea. I love the beach. You can even go during the nighttime and it's still warm.
The first time you get in, it's like a bit cold, but once you get used to it, it's really warm.
The sun is going down and that's nearly the end of our Spanish summer. But I can't wait for you guys to see where the Journeycam will be next.